Hi guys, my name is Rishi. Today this video I'm talking about a linear chart. So let's get start the video. Firstly, they are creating a three files. First file name is index.html and second file name is style.css and the last file name is main.js. Open the index.html and press the exclamation key and press enter button, and they are linked to files CSS file and JavaScript file. Firstly, file add of the CSS file and go to the heading tag inside each add to the CSS file. The link tag is used record equals to the style sheet and accessory is equal to is style.css, and another file linked to the body tag of the bottom. Grid tag are used and accessory is equal to main.js. Open the Chrome browser and search now Chartjs CDN. And firstly at the top of the link open it and wait a few seconds. They are click this coding icon and they have a copy on the CDN code and go to the Visual Studio editor and body tag of the bottom, paste it and write the above of the code div class my chart and inside use a tag of the canvas and id my is equal to my chart, and they are changing of the title tag in the content and the write a linear chart. Open the CSS file and write the code of the style for the index.html file, and firstly target a body, display, flags, element item, center, justifying content, center, height 100 vh, and another one start target dot chart, position, reality, width 50% and height 50%. Open the JavaScript file and firstly they are target my chart. Const ctx equals to the document get element by id my chart dot get content 2d. Const level equals to the array. Write array a month name January to June. Const data equal to label data to array, label to my first data set, data to enter a manual digit, fill to false, border color to any color you can choose it, and tension to 0.1. Const configuration equals to type and which type of the chart used, and this video on a line chart, so I am write a linear chart and data to data. Const my chart equals to a new chart ctx comma configuration